Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited today, guys. I am getting my last COVID vaccine. Yes, I'm really so excited. You guys, you all need to get vaccinated so that they can open us up. We are tired of these lockdown things. Most countries are already opened. Things are already back to normal. I'm so happy for Kenya. It's open, guys. They opened a month ago. So let us go, guys. Let us not wait for long. Let us all go get vaccinated so that they can also open us up. I got my first vaccination from Chadondo Rugby Ground. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it. Yes, people from Uganda, you know that place. But today, I don't know if right now they are there, but I'll be going to Chiswa Health Center 3. It's found in Bugolobi, opposite Shell. Yes, you guys know they are still. Or else I'll go to Kololo Airstrip, because I heard that there they also do vaccines. So I'm really excited. Love my hat. Let me even show you my whole outfit and we see. Okay, I promised to show you guys my outfit of the day. I'm putting on this blue hat. I got it from HK Fashions, a blazer from Shaki in Style, and some little top. I've forgotten where I got it from. Plus these pants are from Shein. Shoes from downtown.
Give me a 360.
Hey.
Hi guys, I have reached the hospital, but there are a lot of people, guys, waiting. The new people who have not yet vaccinated, they are waiting for cards. Cards are not there and they don't know. They've told them they don't know the time they will be bringing the cards. Then for us who are coming for the second vaccine, we have already given out our cards. We are waiting for our names to be called. I don't know what time they're going to call us, but you guys, they are very many people. I'll just show you a small clip of the people who are around. Hopefully they will not get me filming them, but it's currently 49 minutes past 10, so we shall see. That I have just given out my card, so I want to see the time I'll be waiting for my card. Hi guys, I already got my vaccine. I took 1 hour altogether giving our cards there, giving them back to us and taking our vaccines. It took 1 hour. So I'm so hungry and I drove to some restaurant. It's called Torino Bar and Restaurant. I bought some food. I was actually going to try out their food in the restaurant, but they didn't allow cameras in, so I bought takeaway. So I'm going to try out this food with you guys. It's actually Ethiopian food. I'm really so excited. I ordered for this Doro what? Guys, it looks so nice. Oh my god. Let us reach home. I'm not going home actually. I'm going to the shop because the girl is not there, so I have to go there and work, sell stuff to clients. So oh my god, it's hot. I can't wait to taste this food, plus their bread called injera, if you guys are familiar with it. Let's go to the shop. We try out this food with you guys because I'm so hungry. I'm starving. Hi guys, I have reached at the shop. I can't wait to taste the food. I'm really so hungry and I'm sweating. It's too hot outside. That's why I removed my blazer. So let's try the food right now with you guys. I don't know where I'm going to place my camera, but let's do this. Let me open the food with you guys and we see what is there, how the food tastes like, and yeah, it will be my first time tasting the food. I'm really so excited. It's right here. spicy. This is called dorowot. It has some egg and chicken plus some spices, and this is the bread. Let me find where to place you guys. So guys, this is the injera. Oh my god, it is so big. It's brown in color, and this is the sauce right here. It has some chicken, so we are going to be testing it with you guys. I can't wait. I want to first test the injera by itself. Oh my god, it's big, so big. Guys, this thing is sour. It's sour, and I like the sourness in it. If you love sour things, this is good for you. This is actually good for you. Let me dip in the sauce. I washed my hands, guys. Ooh. It actually tastes way more better with the sauce. The sauce is spicy. It is really nice. Let me eat some more. Guys, I'm actually enjoying this. Oh my god, my new favorite cuisine. The sauce is so spicy, and if you're someone who loves spicy food, this is for you. And actually the portions are so big. I don't know, I'm not going to finish all of this. I don't want to talk too much, guys. Let me eat food. Let me just eat. It has got big pieces of chicken. This is chicken, really looking so nice and beautiful. This is another piece of chicken. This is the egg. Wow, I can't wait to taste, and it's hot, so I can't wait to taste all these. So nice. Now Ethiopian food is my favorite. Woo. Let me eat, guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going.
Hi guys, update. I'm done with my food. I'm so full, guys. This food is so filling, so filling. So this is what I've left with. This is the leftover after me getting full. This is what I've left for the injera. I'll eat it actually later. The restaurant I went to is called Torino Bar and Restaurant. It's found on Lower Kololo. After Katikati, you cross the road to Java House as you're coming to Kupa Chumni Restaurant. Then you continue and turn on your right. You will see a poster. It has Torino Bar and Restaurant. But this is a reminder that they don't allow cameras in there. If you're using a camera, they don't allow. If you're using a camera, they don't allow cameras there. That's why I had to do my review right here, but I wanted to do the review at the restaurant. If you wish to eat or to get Ethiopian food, I think the nearest place for the people who live around Kampala, the people who live around Bukoto, actually Nagulu, Torino is very near you. Yes, you just go there, order for your food. I recommend dorowot. I really recommend the reward. It really tastes amazing. There was value for money. The food was a lot. You saw the injera bread, it was big. The sauce was too much. You can actually eat 2 people. See you guys when I reach at home in the evening. I don't know what I'll be doing, but we shall see when I reach there. Hi guys, my battery is warning, so I need to end this video real quick. I reached at home, took my shower. Now I'm going to rest, then wait for the day tomorrow. So you guys, again my battery died, but Satan is a liar. Satan is a liar. I've charged it, now I'm back. But as I was saying, whenever I want to eat for sure Ethiopian food, I'll go back to that restaurant to buy more food. Right now I'm going to lie on the bed and watch some videos as I wait for sleep to take me. I don't know if that's what they say. So allow me end this video here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any new uploads. And don't forget to always have the spirit of gratitude and be thankful to go to something you are grateful for. Until next time, bye guys.